Oh my god. Like, you guys. This is... Oh my god. Especially pink. That's totally magical girl outfit. Score one for me this week. Oh wait, let's see the glider. What's the glider? That's a glider? What? What? Wait, hold on. We gotta like test this. Hold on. Hold on. That's a glider? It's a glider? What? Okay, the outfit is amazing. The outfit is amazing. Super magical girl. Oh my god! See, now we're getting somewhere, ain't it? Now, see, I told you we were gonna start getting into the stuff that's not like a glider. This is really the first one that's not like wings or a paper glider or cloth glider. Like, whoa. Oh yeah, look at it on a chair! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna go back up. I'm gonna go back up and glide again. Oh my god! Oh my goodness. That is craziness. I hope they sell 1.5 million of these. Now the question is, I know the outfit wasn't, but is that a bog or a peachy glider? I think that's both. Now, oh, here's a question. Can you dye it? I really doubt it. No, you can't. Okay, you cannot dye the glider. Obviously, the outfit has the normal 4 dye channels. This is a peachy outfit if I ever saw it. Another week for Peachy. That's right. It's another Peachy week. Peachy 2, Bog 1. I'm glad I previewed that in pink first. It was like, BAM! Magical girl. Yes.